if you can't tell, today's National Wear Red Day, all in support of raising awareness and support for the American Heart Association's Heart Month.
Jaron Jordan actually live this morning, Baton Rouge General, where they're participating in a number of ways. Go Red for Women. That's what it's all about, Jaron.
Good morning to you guys. This day actually kicks off that Go Red month, obviously the American Heart Association's Heart Month, and really raising awareness that heart disease is actually the #1 killer among women. So basically raising awareness, finding out things that everyone can do to really stay heart healthy and really drive it home. As you mentioned, we are here at Baton Rouge General in the cafe, the Blue Bonnet Cafe, and we've got some special guests, Ms. Terry Johnson and Chef Ernestine Rusk. They're telling us basically all of these heart-healthy things that we can have for breakfast in the morning. The mornings are a very hectic time. Tell us about that and kind of what we can all do to stay heart-healthy.
Sure. So mornings are crazy at my house. Kids, pets, just trying to get out of the door. So basically we have a quick protein shake or smoothie. It includes protein, fats, fiber, some fruits and vegetables, which of course are loaded with fiber, with antioxidants, which protect the heart. You can also sneak some sneaky ingredients in, such as flax seeds, again, heart protective. We're using an egg protein powder this morning. People tend to tolerate egg protein a little bit better, and it's just a great protein source.
And Chef Rusk, these are super easy to make, takes only a few seconds, huh?
A few seconds, you can blend it up, and it's a great way to sneak vegetables in your kid's diet. You can use frozen or fresh vegetables or fruit. If you're using frozen fruits or vegetables, you can dial back the ice a little bit. This is a great, easy way to pack a bunch of good, nutritious fiber into your kid's diet.
Great things to do, of course. Again, we are all joining in this movement to Go Red, raising awareness for Heart Month this month. And we're going to taste one of these smoothies here and see what it tastes like.
Don't be afraid of green. Don't be afraid of green.
I must say, pretty good and pretty heart healthy. We're going to check back in with you guys throughout the rest of the show, showing you what other things are going on here at the General celebrating this Heart Awareness Month. Matt?
Jaron Jordan live for us this morning. Ooh, there you go. Standing order. Bring some of that back.
Coming up this morning.
It's National Wear Red Day, kicking off a month-long of heart-healthy activities. We're live at the Baton Rouge General.
All right, this month is, if you don't know, Heart Month, put on by the American Heart Association. And today is National Wear Red Day.
Yep, grab something red. Jaron Jordan live at Baton Rouge General, where a number of things are going on all month to raise awareness for heart health. Hey, Jaron.
Yeah, good morning to you guys. They're really kicking it off today here at the Baton Rouge General. Last half hour, we were telling you things that you can do, dietary things that you can do to make sure that in the mornings you're having a heart-healthy breakfast. I know mornings can be hectic, but there are some things that you can do there. Now we are in the operating area of the hospital to talk about something that's very unique here at the General that definitely promotes heart healthiness. It is actually a robotic heart bypass machine that you guys are doing here. The only hospital here in Baton Rouge doing it. We have Miss Naomi Nelson, who is the service line administrator for the Heart and Vascular Unit. Thanks for joining us this morning. Tell us what that means. Like, what is this whole robotic heart bypass?
Sure. Last year, Baton Rouge General did their first minimally invasive robotic heart surgery procedure here at the hospital. And what that means for our patients is they have less scoring, quicker recovery time. Recovery times reduced from, a 5-day hospital stay to 3 days. Better outcomes, less complications. So it's overall a better procedure for our patients here in this community.
And just talk about how that figures into this whole idea of being heart healthy and why we should really be taking a moment this whole month to really pay attention to it.
Well, this month is the American Heart celebrates Heart Healthy Month. So, Baton Rouge General has a litany of activities that we're going to have this month in celebration of Heart Healthy. One of them being today is National Wear Red Day. So we have a lot of activities here on our campus. As you can see, we're dressed in our red tennis shoes.
We're going to get Brandon to show you the red tennis shoes. We got all that going on there.
And this is in line with our theme at Baton Rouge General, Walk a Mile to keep your heart healthy. So we're all in our red tennis shoes, and we're going to walk a mile this morning. So.
All right, sounds good. And some great technology going on here to make sure that everyone stays heart healthy. Heart disease is the #1 killer among women, so taking this month to really raise awareness for that and doing things that we can all do to stay heart healthy. Some great ideas and information there. Matt and Lauren?
Hey, today is National Wear Red Day, all in support of raising awareness for the American Heart Association's Heart Month.
Jaron Jordan, also in red, live this morning at Baton Rouge General, where, of course, they are participating in a number of Go Red for Women events. Hey, Jaron.
Yeah, good morning to you, Matt. They've been going hard at it all morning, really, at this Go Red for Women, obviously supporting February as Heart Month and raising heart healthy awareness. We were telling you about healthy breakfasts that you guys can take a part of. Last half hour, we were showing you the things that are happening here inside the operating room that makes things less heart invasive, which is also great. Now we're in the birth center where lots of great things are happening here, starting with the babies and the women, of course. And we've got Dr. Joanne Barrios. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Tell us what you guys are doing this month for Heart Month.
This month, we're putting beautiful red beanies on all of our babies to remind mothers and women who come to visit these young mothers to keep their hearts healthy, to make sure that they take care of themselves so that they can be there for their family for years and years to come. Women at this age don't typically think of heart disease as a problem, but truly heart disease is the #1 killer of women, above all kinds of cancers, and it's very important at a young age to start taking steps to preserve your heart health. And we just want our mothers to remember that so that they can be there for their children.
And the video that we're looking at now is obviously a set of twins that were born just yesterday, obviously sporting their new red beanies. Now tell us, it's obviously important to start it early, to start that education early, to raise that awareness for heart healthiness.
Absolutely. When you're young and healthy is when you start taking steps to stay young and healthy. Being young at heart, being active, running around with your children, and making sure that your entire family takes steps to stay healthy is so important.
All right, great. And I see that you're sporting your red. You've got your red shoes. We've got our red shoes as well. Even got photographer Brandon Shackelford sporting his red shoes as well. So really going full force here at Baton Rouge General, raising awareness for heart healthiness. They're all actually going to be walking a mile coming up in the next half hour. We're going to show you that as well. Matt and Lauren.
Coming up this morning.
Baton Rouge General employees getting ready to walk a mile as the hospital goes red for Heart Healthy Awareness Month.
All right, folks. Red. This month is Heart Month, put on by, of course, the American Heart Association. Today is National Wear Red Day.
Yep, grab something red out of your closet. Jaron Jordan is live at Baton Rouge General, where a number of things are going on all month to raise awareness for heart health. Hey, Jaron.
Yeah, good morning to you guys. And right now, look at just all the employees who have joined us this morning and walked this mile around the hospital campus, all to raise awareness for Heart Awareness Month. I've got Dr. Lance Lamont, and we're going to actually start this walk around the hospital campus while we talk about the importance of heart health and cardiovascular health. Just kind of set the scene for us. Why is this so important? Obviously, we have this whole month dedicated to it.
Right. Well, heart disease is the #1 killer in the country. There's about 500,000 heart attacks each year, and about 1 in 3 women will die from heart disease. And so that's almost a woman every 60 or 90 seconds. And so we just want to bring awareness with this campaign, and our message has been to get active, hence we're wearing these fancy red tennis shoes. Walking is one of the simplest exercises that you can do, and so we know that being sedentary or sitting is sort of considered the new smoking. So we want people walking, and you can actually reduce the risk of heart disease just by activity and exercise.
And this is something that you guys actually encourage your employees to do, obviously having this walking track kind of around the hospital, not just for employees, but for everybody in this area to come out and to utilize that.
Right. We have this 1 mile path around the hospital where we're walking now, and we do encourage employees to get busy and get active to have a healthy workforce as well as a healthy community.
All right, well, heart health, very important. Obviously, you got everybody sporting our red. We're sporting it here. They're sporting it back at the station. Just definitely a great cause to be aware of, obviously, this month and all year long, guys.
All right, lots of folks out there this
Walking
morning. Beautiful morning to do that, too. A little chilly, but they look good out there.
Diane's got it all worked out for you.